global markets began showing recovery this morning around 4 a.m. Central Time here in Chicago. The Malaysian flight has been confirmed by U.S. intelligence officials to have been shot down yesterday by a surface-to-air missile from an unknown origin, causing miles of debris to be scattered in a wheat field in eastern Ukraine, just about 30 miles from the Russian border. Wheat rallied 3% yesterday after the news, coming off multi-year lows. Corn found some modest support while funds sold soybeans. The downplane occurred less than 24 hours after the U.S. imposed harsher sanctions against Russia's major banks, energy, and defense firms, causing Russian markets to fall as analysts say Russia moves closer to a recession. The VIX, commonly referred to by traders as the fear gauge, climbed about 32% after the news of the downplane, and investors began shifting from equities to safe haven investments. Once news of Israel beginning a ground invasion in Gaza broke yesterday, the index jumped to 37%. Analysts did note, though, that historically this is still a low level. Then equities began easing from selling pressure this morning. The S&P 500 saw a bounce after the largest single-day percentage drop in 3 months. The Dow saw the largest single-day drop in 2 months. And the yield on 10-year U.S. Treasury notes fell to their lowest in over a year. Investors shifted money yesterday to safe havens like U.S. bonds, gold, silver, and oil. Crude and silver jumped over 2%, and gold had the largest single-day advance in a month. Traders tell me that yesterday's action and initial overnight action was not comparable to the gains seen February 27th when Russia invaded Crimea. Traders say this was mostly getting some of the risk out of the market, as many typically do not want to go into the weekend with these long positions, especially with all of the geopolitical uncertainty. They added that further escalation would likely need to occur for any trend reversals. And I'll be back later covering why analysts have been comparing recent tensions in Ukraine and Russia to 2008, in addition to more market updates straight from the trading floor of the CME Group.